a bit of summary of what happened. We qualified P8. Was quite fortunate with qualifying because not many people managed to complete a lap. We managed to get our lap, although with 2 yellow flags in between. That's why you can see there's only 2 cars that qualify a full proper lap with no yellow flag. The rest of cars, I think about almost 10 cars qualify with 2 yellow flags, and some of them didn't even complete the lap because of there's a lot of crash. You can't really have enough time for the qualifying lap. And with the starting point of qualifying P8, it was heavy rain for the race. I thought it would be a good opportunity for me and everybody to have an equal ground with the wet race. But apparently it's really wet, even on the straight, full throttle. There was an instance at a high-speed corner, turn 2, Mandarin corner. I did a full drift past the whole track, even during the safety car. So I didn't push very much when the opening lap. And the opening lap, where the safety car went in, it was so much water that you can't see anything at all. Didn't take the risk, I slowed down. So they actually got overtaken by 2 cars. But very fortunate, was a red flag immediately, so literally we didn't even race a single lap. Result will end the lap before the red flag, which is P7. Or else we will be fighting for P10 already. So that's it for Macau weekend. 30 minutes practice, 30 minutes quali, 30 minutes race. I think the total drive time is actually less than 45 minutes. But it's really fun. One of the most important, most dangerous street circuit in Asia. And very challenging. All the drivers are very high level. The stewarding is also pretty high level. So thank you for those that support me online. So next one, Sembang 1000. See you. Bye bye.